If you are looking for 4,000 watch hours, I've found a strategy that actually works. Yes, it might actually take a little bit of time, but it works perfectly fine and it's easy for you to do. So please make sure that you don't miss any tips that I'm going to be giving out on this video, because they all work together as one to help your channel to grow faster and better. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. The first trick that I'll be giving you guys can actually help you get your first 50 to 100 subscribers when your channel is new. And in order for you to do this, all you have to do is just look for videos that are similar to the one that you are uploading, that are trendy or rather doing well on YouTube, and then drop a comment like, I upload YouTube tips videos and easy tutorial videos. Let's help each other grow. Or if you don't want to put that, you can put something like new YouTubers. Let's help each other grow. Just comment something like that there on the comment section. And then you see that you'll be able to get about 50 to 100 subscribers with that method in the next couple of days. And please, once you've gotten that 50 to 100 subscribers, make sure that you stop using that method and then fall back to the normal, organic method of getting subscribers, where you have to upload and get your subscribers, because that is not something that you can do for a very long time. Because if you keep doing it and doing it, yes, you keep getting subscribers, but that will be considered as spamming. So all you have to do is just do it a little bit, get that first 50 to 100 subscribers, and stop doing that and move back to the normal organic method of getting views and subscribers, which is uploading consistently. Another thing that you can start using to increase your watch hour is by doing live stream. Because when a lot of people are on your live stream and then they are just with you for like 30 minutes or an hour or more, that is going to increase your watch hour. So apart from uploading consistently, you can also start doing live stream to start getting much more watch hour. And when it comes to this live stream, the trick is that the more people that are there with you and the more people that stay, because some people might just come and then they will leave. So the people that will actually stay for a longer time, that's what is going to cause more watch hour for you. So the goal is that when you are doing this live stream, make it a little bit engaging, like start answering questions that people have and stuff like that, so that they can stay for a longer time and learn in your live stream. So that way you are going to start getting much more watch hour from people that come to your live stream and stay in your live stream. So that is another method that you can use to get much more watch hours on YouTube. Now, another trick is to give the name of your channel to your friends, your family members, or even your church members, and tell them to go to your channel and go to the playlist section and go and watch all your videos that are in your playlist. And the way they can do this, they can actually do it overnight. Like, they will just go to your playlist and then they will play the playlist, and then they will just leave their phone maybe in their desk, or wherever they want to leave it on. Maybe they can even leave it while charging, and then that video will just continue playing all the videos in your playlist. That is actually a nice trick to start getting much more watch hours. Or if you don't want to do it that way with your playlist, you can start a live stream at night during sleeping hours, and then just call your friends, family members, or even church members, like I said earlier, and tell them to please join your live stream and leave their phone while in your live stream overnight. You can just beg them to do that for you, and once they are to do that for you, they are going to be there in your live stream for hours, and then you yourself will just leave your phone and stay on live while you are asleep. And what that's going to do is that it's going to boost a lot of watch hours, because people are going to be in your video for a very long time, thereby increasing your watch hours. So this is actually another trick that you can actually use to boost your watch hours on your YouTube channel. Now, the last trick is to tell the people that are watching your video to set the playback speed of that video to 0.25x. That's actually more like watching the video on slow-mo. And the trick is, when they are doing that, it's actually going to double the watch hour that you are going to get per each people that are watching that video, because now that they are watching the video on slow-mo, they are going to be spending much more time on that video, which means much more time is being consumed. So let me say that video is 7 minutes long. Normally, if they are to watch the video from beginning to the end, that's 7 minutes. But when it's on slow-mo, once they are done watching that video, they might end up spending up to like double that time on that video, which means watch hour is going to increase. So this is actually another trick that you can actually use to get much more watch hour on your YouTube channel. And also another thing, like I said earlier, remember to tell them that if they don't want to watch the video, they can just put it in that mode and drop it in their desk and just leave it till the video is done playing from beginning to the end, so they don't have to just keep looking on their phone. Because if they have to do that, they will get tired. Now, even me myself, if I'm to put it on slow-mo, any of my video, and to watch it on slow-mo, I myself, I will get tired, because I have other things to do with my phone now. So the best thing to do, just tell them to do that for you and drop it on their desk and leave the phone. Then they can come later and come use their phone when it's done watching the video from the beginning to the end. So this is another trick that you can use on your channel. Now, while applying all these tricks that I just listed on this video, also remember to keep uploading consistently, because that's the most important thing. Keep uploading consistently and keep providing value here on YouTube, and you are definitely going to become successful someday. Because yes, I know that YouTube might actually be hard. I don't have to lie to you. YouTube is not an easy game. It's actually take a lot of time, because me myself, I spend a lot of time to make this video. But one thing that I believe is that we are definitely going to make it on this YouTube, in as much as we are being consistent and posting and providing value on a daily basis. We are definitely going to blow up someday. Just make sure that you don't give up. Don't ever give up. You are going to make it here on YouTube. If by now you are not adding clickable links to your YouTube video description, so that people will be able to click a link and contact you, or click a link to watch your other similar videos through your video description, then you are snoozing on a very big update. You are just snoozing on that update. So I will advise that you watch this video to learn on how to add clickable links to your YouTube video description, so that people will be able to move from one video to another through your description, and they will be able to click a link, contact you, or click a link, buy your course, stuff like that. So make sure to watch that video to learn on how to do that. I'm going to suggest the video at the end of this video, so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also at the end of this video, you might see some of my similar videos, or you might see some of my playlists, so you can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.